Look at this little gem. This is a gas furnace that doesn't require any electricity. It's convection, so the heat just comes up into the bonnet and travels up the ductwork. That's all that does. There's no fans, no circuitry. This is a high limiter that shuts the unit down if it overheats. Come down, you got gas coming from the meter, gas going to the appliance, pilot light. That's a thermostat here. Thermostat wire goes to the upstairs. Here's your high limiter. Oh, it just kicked on. So what happens, I'll show you the inside while it's on. Looks just like the Olympic torch, doesn't it? So you see the little flame on the lower right hand side? That's a pilot light. Like most gas appliances have a pilot light. But there's a little bracket there with a silver thing in it. You can see down below the pilot light, that little silver square with a wire on it. So what that is, I found a spare one here. That's a thermoelectric generator. So if you put a torch on this thing, it makes sparkies on the other end. So it generates enough voltage or power to run the thermostat upstairs. So the thermostat tells everything, tells the furnace to kick on. And there you go. That's the only sound you hear. There's no fans, nothing moving except flame. Beauty. So this will run in a power outage, and the owner says it's just cheap as anything to run. The gas bill is really low on this, and being no electricity, you don't have fans running all the time and sucking up electricity. So this is a pretty sweet little furnace, but you are not allowed to have these anymore because they're just too efficient. Something works too good, you got to destroy it. That just seems to be the way the world works these days. So we need more of these, more efficient appliances, and less technology. We're just grinding up the earth making circuit boards, and there's really no reason for it. So there you go. Obsolete efficiency. Made in Canada. Something that never happens anymore. Canadian quality, it's better, eh?